Hey everyone, quick question for you. Do you think it's actually possible to make a bed using only tree branches? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today we're diving into a project that proves just how creative you can get with Mother Nature's materials. So, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of building a bed from all natural materials. It's a fun way to connect with nature, and it really emphasizes sustainability in our daily lives. Plus, who wouldn't want a unique, handmade bed that's one of a kind? Let's jump right in. So, what a journey it has been. We started with just some branches and turned them into a stunning bed. It's incredible how much we can learn about craftsmanship and creativity when we work with natural materials. Plus, this project is a great reminder of the importance of sustainability. If we can build something beautiful from nature, why wouldn't we?